Hello dear friend, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show how to fix if your battery icon not showing on your taskbar in Windows 10. So let's start it. How to fix it. Right click on your mouse on the start menu and then click on device manager. Among the function, click on battery option. Now from the two options, select the Microsoft SCPI complement control method battery and click on right side on the mouse. Now choose the disable option. Click yes on the pop-up windows. And now you once again right click on your mouse and select enable. Now check your battery icon showing or not. And you can see problem is solved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.